people that work at those places aren't doing anything.
I know, no one's doing anything. They're just like annoyed by the sound.
Here comes the farmer. Waiting for the farmer. He's all over it. Walking around like he just was taking a nap and somebody waking him.
There's the fire marshal and my dad eating pretzels. He's investigating. You did it? The guy over there said you did it. It was your fault. Everyone's like freaking out. It's crazy. People are blaming people now. They're trying to figure out who did it. It was quite loud. We're just eating pretzels and ignoring, well, trying to ignore the loud noise. As I'm sure you are now, after you've been watching it, listening to it. I wonder how long it's going to take him to turn it off. My smoothie. It's strawberry banana. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. And it is off.
They figured out how to turn it on.
They figured out how to turn it off and they got it off. So yeah. Love you all. Bye.